Ever pondered about the creamy, rich base that binds together the layers of a lasagna or gives your macaroni and cheese its velvety texture? That's right, it's bechamel sauce, a cornerstone of French cuisine and a key component in many beloved dishes. Let's get started, shall we? Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Be mindful not to let it brown. As soon as the butter is melted, usher in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously to marry the flour with the butter, forming a roux. Cook this for about 2 minutes to evict the raw flour taste, but remember, no browning. While our roux is getting ready, we can gently heat 2 cups of whole milk until it's just about to simmer. This isn't mandatory, but it does help in preventing those pesky lumps. Now, the stage is set for the roux and milk to unite. Slowly add the warm milk to the roux, whisking constantly to ensure a smooth, lump-free liaison. Now it's time to cook the mixture over medium heat, whisking frequently until the sauce thickens and comes to a gentle boil. This should take around 6 to 9 minutes. Once thickened, it's time for the seasoning. Remove the sauce from the heat and season with salt, white pepper, and a dash of nutmeg. The nutmeg is optional, but it does add a classic flavor to the bechamel. For those who want an extra smooth sauce, strain the bechamel through a fine mesh sieve to evict any potential lumps. Remember, if you want a thicker sauce, use more flour and butter at the beginning. For a thinner sauce, use less. And to store, place a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface of the sauce until it cools down. It can be refrigerated and gently reheated, adding a little milk if necessary to adjust the consistency. For more delicious recipes like this, make sure to subscribe to Magnolia Moon.